Hi, I'm Jacob Ball, co-founder and president of Cozy Bread. In this video, I'm going to illustrate what not to do. This is the proofing mat. It's water resistant and designed to be wiped down with a washcloth. Do not get the head unit wet. Do not place this in a dishwasher. Do not place the mat directly onto a cold surface or the heat will escape. Utilize a towel. The towel is what you're gonna do to wrap it around your bowl and create a cozy environment. Do not assume that the mat hasn't reached the temperature indicated here on the temperature controller. The mat is going to be generally around 83 degrees for optimal proofing temperatures, and the human body is at 98 degrees. So when you touch it, it's gonna feel cooler to the touch than your human body. For more information or to view more of our other great products, visit our website. All of our products are available on Amazon, as well as other videos indicating how to use our product. Thank you for your time.